Fantastic morning. That was Emerson say yede agudie mu nsem ebra e wo bedwam so. And some no do so there's a fantastic hotel na place ya boy na yede ebra o kete we see enye dodoro be be hya se ntempa so de fia bi emai so. Na mum a game pack and of course they say this can manfo di sa no undi bi dia wakachiri you have bite back. Yes wakachiri. A game pack. Dial star 946 hash star 946 hash ne disika fa ego botomo and your numbers 0 to 9 choose to the open for disika go bottom pick 3 pick 4 pick 5 pick na bia wow date of birth what we yi wa ko for die disika o game pack no e serious o sika pa ko for die je also the wunni mi enka say ye beto 10 na 20 bia udi ya nkwanze awalazi ai. Yes, game pack 4 can one up na. That is some idea brain. Of course, Richoko, Benum Bibiano pair Richoko. Yeah, to say yes, imwepi. Imwepi. Richoko de chama. Me seems I guess I'm some men sa ho. Because pi Richoko. Me no ashemu no nyasam ketwa. Amake one up na in some idea bro. Kijuana Kasani, Erica Sedu Body Bena Padibutri, and of course Sergio Manocho, me producer and Opemo coming one. But in some idea bro, Besha see the feeder UEFA Europa League games kakra about Baso. Your special interest in that game, I asked and Ludo Grace at the person because yeah, Abrantia man. Kudus Mohammed was in action, poor hat trick in that game. Yamon room in her game no. Yes, Kudus Day, Tina and Radi Kudus Day. Yes, of course, Europa League playoff and of course Kudus Day. Now after the game, when them said they can't quantity chairman said the last game no dealer so movie fee ask West Ham no cost through ye pa no ye din but after the game okay sa edifa sa moving home.
Was this your last match for Ajax?
Yes, I think so. But we see what happens in the next days, because I don't have control over everything. But we see in the next days what happens.
What has to happen?
The talks is going on, so we see if there's an agreement in the next days, and then we take it from there. That's not my call, my job. I just have to do my work on the pitch, and then my team and my people will take care of the rest. So I live in the present moment, and I'm here now, and that is my focus: training and doing my work on the pitch. Like I said, everything after off the pitch will take care of itself. So I'm just doing my job on the pitch until there's something on the table and I have to leave or stay. Then we see.
What can you tell us about West Ham?
Good club. Yeah.
Right. Kudus Mohammed ni sama what they to try no so you heard say West Ham move no be happen na the oka kan dey say kwambia so no ben be fa ne sa I hope he say bibia beto di ni ade na ye kan no nsem na Richoko dey sia konkon dey nsem na dey brosa no pay you benum bibia Richoko weekend match sa wodo okoso England, Spain, Italy, Germany and of course France. Now yanko EPL na you say officials this weekend and then say Chelsea and in Luton Town and a day so at 7 p.m. to cash and so and so for me Badwam space about 11:30 Ochina, that's early kickoff. Arsenal and Fulham so they PM so Brentford, Nick Crystal Palace, Everton, Wolves, but Manchester United, Northern Forest and I think so Brighton and West Ham United. I know it's Saturday Ochina games with Basu consider Burnley, Aston Villa, Sheffield United and Man City, Newcastle. And in Liverpool, what a game on Sunday. Yes, match we Empire na 3:30 in Newcastle and Liverpool. And the so now you could more La Liga and the Coso in the Spanish La Liga now. Real Madrid, Ginemu, and Dendianya, some Ketua, yes, of course, but Las Palmas. Amene society na de so na fin no Celta de Vigo ne Real Madrid and a de Ebony. Now, Cadiz and UDR Maria, Nafe Granada, Mallorca, Bo Sevilla, and Girona, and a dear Buenina finish on the Villarreal, and Barcelona, Bo Valencia, and CA Osasuna, Athletic Club, and Rebetis na Getafe, and Deportivo Alaves, Rayo Vallecano, and Atletico de Madrid. The best game seeing in the Spanish La Liga. Now, Copiemo, it's their matches back also Germany and then of course France and Mbappe back here. So they want some so ABC akọ. Yakenim na yenhwensen for about already ekoso in the CAF Champions League Mediema Sporting Club. Amona LED Ghana aso Frank anymore Champions League playoffs anymore. Na first leg womo ewini 1-0 ofi. Me no kase no womo hweso mbekwa kopi mu will be Manchester Nigeria and Remo Stars e apem so kwasieda and a second leg no baso coach Evans Adote and coach Panipa de Mediema.
Yako Nigeria kokoso bibi ho. The last of say enkechi you win one. You don't Nigeria could defend one. You don't Nigeria could 1-1. You don't Nigeria could goalless. And next weekend.
Coach, if you put a coach, what you said about Coupe, in your opportunity, and your coach make a side before me bar. Now, so much information here about you. Now, almost a new team at home until Nigerian Pope.
But your answer yesterday, yes, you won. We thought I'm going to defend more. They were rather attacking. So won't be my answer since you be mu defend that pressure by so why by free kicks, corner kicks, set pieces we have yeah quite answer baby with the carefulness say if me defend the team leading.
Right, Coach Evans Adote, Ninsamwa, what are you to no, yeah, I'm okay, I'm in Remo Stars them now. Dreams FC so boy in the Comfort Cup, the Confederation Cup playoff now. One more the Amukwa away, Cochin draw, almost so ball this weekend. I'm in Milo FC na the airport. So now I would say yes. I'm Pioneer Jamilo the man for sugar woman to me. I'm Frank Kofu and we have one Karim Zito and the coach the Dreams FC. Oh, Gidi Sebefa.
I'm also having the supporters, I'm having confidence. Everybody will be for me. So definitely it's a 2-leg knockout. So I have to do everything possible to beat Milo. But that doesn't mean it's a done deal. No, it's an objective I achieve here. And they too, they will have to draw objective for meeting me. And they will meet me different team. Now they will meet different play, different system for me to beat them. Right,
and someone coach here too. To say yes, the Heston and Besiako, 2 clubs of Mukosi Ghana Nemo on betting and make Ghana proud. I'm a qualifier for the next round of the competition. Coach Karim Zito. Now, yes, the Abacoso weekend, he would himself Metema Kumasi, Asante Koroko, Beposo, Omuguso Yahoo CC, ahead of the new season. House of Folks also in Yabre, Ahun CC Stronko, ahead of the new season. Season Ye Kumi, Coachisa, Ewofino, Etoso Chain, Abrochili Forum. House of Folk Penny Bruni, Eba season a Yeko Ramwe. Oma Kanyina, Ade, Yan Crawford, and Hebanti, Nicholas Ayas, and Pay, Jazz of Taking Director Bruni, and Coach Nakasa Bruni, Thompson Maniabra, feeling, you know. One more edge now. Kopi mo pobi man. Na retri na House of Folk ya kono keke. Facilities ahodo o maye ni ade a ekoye and the kono so when we say feed almost say unity and omope. To mo kan kan mo ho na mo ho bom. Da hwese kwan bia so niam atwa mu no be twam akọ na mo akọ manim na bibia so atumi akọ ye chane so mame say game park and of course super mula ya kan mula isika. Open mula AC canteen patrol and Opabia Adom TV 9 na fe we 12 and I finish on 6 p.m. You had the draw neba ma hu se udi anasa wendi dial *946# a very easy patrol pick 4 game no disca go bottom chere number wini wow me hwe din ma hwe Adom TV studio no me hwe cameras do we studio am say fa cameras we ngusu nti e bia 3 cameras so 4 so go chere hanti 3 ne 4 ma yi 3 ma yi 4 my person Friday 5. Say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday 5. Monday 5 account. That's it. That's just make permutations na me. We are not family go match. Let's say never fa. And palm we draw na be a 2 big crowd buffer when this go bottom. Pity Jordan Crawford de bia draw baso. The bia draw baso Adom TV so enti patcho fa honjim na sika na me dia ma no financial freedom. Dey yana sa wo kwosere obi sika. Na when you scan bia ma na o start ya na ko beka che so ni bi kura nkanya ya obaji je nkomo ne ho ama sani wiase iwe ma ne ready sorry o je ho nyina ma wi na che say unfortunately wa mantem o bantem dia kadinya ka nra ya na me baba ko school fees me ko tua game park e masad ni na eto atwa ye mo nra songo stake na hwede ne man countryman songo Mr Patrick Osageman ewo edemaye songo oteme kan mo akwa ba the bag kan see so no pay obedwam songo stake and ade ne yehwe e ba cho on mute na menton kan ye na ade ne yehwe Pastor Mami hu songo na me ne no interact.
Bibia boko de.
Nyame Adom countryman bibia fine. Me na de na wo man.
Well, and there Bibia boko me hwe CAF Champions League and the Confederations Cup na Mediama and the Dreams FC o represented Ghana a band domestic football any Africa competition. You understand? Over, I mean, so far you look at football in Senia, a sequel. Only me be arguing say a normal enquiry. You understand? I look at football. No, I mean the way I spectating Senia fans go park in the crowd. Your problem, and I mean, officiating any sponsorship, any coverage. I'm a local football. I have Basa, you understand? And I mean, in the past, and the name said, Senia Ghana, you can actually our football more local football. No, I mean, Africa Confederations Cup, Champions League, your boy, home. I mean, not to talk of House of Cook and Kotoko, even lately, Grand Maker said, Brekum. Chelsea, Omubo, Modin, the lives of Diana Munyanako, a competition, Libida. You understand? Even Mediama Kra and or Africa or Nuka Confederations Cup, Bobida, you understand? But over the history behind local football in Africa, participation, has a book, Kotoko, Omabo, Modiama, Ghana, but I mean, an idea, Nansandia, and Ekosu, the Bian Kosi, Fama, the local clubs, Omoko Africa. Na Ajiegu, you understand? Over the weekend, Mediama to me, share 1-0 against the Nigerians. But I want to say it's an easy match. As Omoko return leg, you know, because going to Nigeria, you know, I mean, just, like I said, I just our neighbors. And Osha Mediama performance in the first half of Komo Fasu, Omu first goal, Bianca. Yes, I know it's a football. And easy there, but I mean, it's a whole ball competition. We say now home advantage. You have to use it. Okay, second leg. What me I day? I'm making sure the qualification was secure. 1-0. Ubisa coach. Now a normal to say that is in the sign call when they say also may that is no that is A Anyajuma, that is B Anyajuma, that is D Anyajuma, that is C Anyajuma, that is D Anyajuma. That is Ben Yajuma. You understand? That is a crime crown of us who are unyas one go within that first 20 minutes, you know, I went to me and your Bianca home. You understand? So your coaches, you know, and as a maker, some Mediama coach, you know, all up in the game. No, making sure say this is Champions League. On here, making sure 10 or say this is Champions League. And even when you one go, now go be clum you otatesa a beyer can let you qualify. You understand? Nanka Mediamania 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a fantastic resource, but 1-0 slim result, and you're bad. Oh, advantage, you know. And one is a coach, not tactics now, or say I know you know, Sa tactics, you know, or many years you Nigeria, yes, I'm a Fayano, Mediama coach, you know. The tactics now, or for no bohum, who are bohum, will be free Nigeria, but with the tactics are near you. Without this, I near you, man, 1-0. I know him to walk. Okay, now 1-0, you got to protect it. Ghana for the fireman say, yeah, per se, Champions League, you know, Mediama Cocolim, Nebois local football. It will make it just an attack is where you man will qualify Mediama for Amiako the next stage. And yes, sir, fire will burn him. Enemy tatis, and yet you man metatis, uti home, be fever. There, into woman on your careful. And yes, sir, Nadia will be a penino, enemy tatis, and you. Then also, Oba Dreams FC, also Guinea, of course, there is a good score line, but we a mistake. Now, yes, oh. Many good score line 0-0 there. Maybe no, it's anybody's game.
And 1-1.
Yeah, and anybody's game. 0-0. One over one channel, one is what me and to one over Hano, a 0-0. Obian Shebi. It will be a bit on your advantage. Oh, my way go, Grana. Over to me, the UFM. You understand? We to me the home advantage, home away go, no play you work into all over. What no money be your first go. Now we are now take one to put advantage because on about club, but to me in your go. You understand? And I don't expect dreams are go 0-0 no atena Nkrumah say coming weekend.
Right, fire. Almost 1-1. Dreams FC echo 1-1 or.
Yeah, 1-1. Yeah, I don't expect it. When you say 1-1, no atena ho, no ama sa. I mean, Guinea Fuaba, no Oma Baba nya that go na ebia 2. You understand? And I say be 1-0. No. I expect some media money dreams FC be ebe ko many more Champions League. Say na bia no has ni kotoko kwa. You expect so mbe ko many ma. Woman ko many ma ye fire woman. It's the same thing you expect say media money that is a dreams FC ko many. I was a competition with Amadana, your local football. At least yes to me have.
Right. Countryman Songo network don't share that boy papa, but I think Countryman Songo on Songo stake and ne point near well made. Dreams FC. Let me DM a sporting club that Kitana Mamo. Yeah, 2 jadi amamo. Say when be so mo make Ghana proud. I can see Musine this weekend. Demo my catch. Say game pack star 946 hash na when be so no apeke or numbers 9 from 9 numbers 0 to 9. Now pick 4 numbers of film na what is sika edi agu ubotomo. Now of course obetimi akọ gamepackgames.com. Gamepackgames.com. Now also what me akwa selection what is kadi agu ubotom. De bia Sunday to Sunday. More mula, more cash. Yes, of course. And of course, Richoko and opa mini Richoko for and I edi and some edi pro. No you say ni edi pro manimu na ija na sempo kura ntutu fi mi di mumba mi wi ya no ana me pentema kopra prechance say cha na edwo of course mo you better Countryman Songo ase you better wants wase say wo hwen Sergio Manocho pena padi botwe me producer Sky say wo de nankasa beka kejwa ne ho Erica sie du body ni koso wa hebedwam